guys, so here is my loose twist. I'm going to apply the Shea Moisture's Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask. The directions say to apply a generous amount of the strengthening mask from root to ends, pay particular attention to hair ends, comb through for even distribution, and place a plastic cap over here and sit under a warm dryer for 10 to 15 minutes. Maybe left on here for up to 30 without heat, and then rinse thoroughly. So I'm gonna start with this first twist here. Very damp. Apply generous amounts. And this is how it looks like on the inside. Give me one scoop like that. And just apply it over my hair. Let me comb this through. Since my hair is drying, I'm just gonna keep applying water. Hey guys, now I'm going to rinse my hair. Instead of doing it in the shower, I'm going to be doing it in the sink. So yeah. So now I'm done rinsing. My hair feels much softer now and much more manageable. Hey guys, I would definitely recommend this deep conditioner. My hair feels like extremely soft right now. I just love it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to comment like what other products you want me to try or what other hairstyles. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share.